God, Mini.
Is that a
Alright.
Smash gonna use this as their menu theme?
I like it, but I don't know. Alright, so they just played in friendlies. It was close, but Mini won. Dr. Scrub SC, so he's definitely got a. His Falcon is like the second. His punish game has gotten like way better. Alright.
Oh wow, with the taunt.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, okay.
Disrespect.
Yeah, Roy's recovery is pretty hard to.
Oh, it doesn't shield long enough though.
Oh, is that gonna be it? Wow.
Ah,
Dr. Scrub has to work so hard to edgeguard a Mini, and then okay. Mini just giving up stocks. So maybe he doesn't have to work very hard to edgeguard Mini. Just like throw him off stage and make him down air. That was a good weird F back. That was actually the first time I've seen him miss a regrab. He's been like really good with his tech chases.
ooh, not able to get anything out of that missed down smash.
Yeah, Mini's been doing that like tech and play down smash a lot, and Dr. Scrub has yet to find a solution. See if he can adapt. That was a really good knee. I think that might have like he covered pretty much everything. He second place in reaction.
They will get back up on stage.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good
goes
recovery.
below stage and missed it, which caused that forward smash and miss.
Yeah. I'm not really sure like when Roy like throws combo into F smash. I know it's DI dependent, but I don't know what percent it works at. And it's Dr. Scrub could have just been at too low percent. That was weird. That I honestly thought Stomp would be safe. Missed the regrab. Alright, just a full dancing blade. Or double-edged dance, or whatever. Alright, good way to dash back again. Ooh. Roll? Okay, I would've rolled. Yeah, there you go. See, you can just roll out of it. Ooh! Okay, there you go. That was a good read. Mini double jumped right into that stomp. Dr. Scrub needs to get like, if he can just get one grab. No? Okay. Because like if he can get one grab, that's like he can tack on a ton of percent, maybe death. Or it could just be a throw. Like that. But okay, a little dash dancing, I like it. That was a good crouch cancel. Gets him out of that combo. Stuck in shield though and gets kicked by that dancing blade. And then dies.
Yeah, game one. These are best 2 out of 3.
Best 2 out of 3?
Winner semis. But those are the only.
It's 2 out of 3. We should make it 3 out of 5.
What? The mini month. Did you guys want a 3 out of 5?
Yeah, why not? It's only
Player
4 people.
request 3 out of 5. Understandable.
So yeah, 3 out of 5. It's top 4, so. So
Alright,
what
so
is
this
top
is going
4?
to be a 3 out of 5.
What is top 4 exactly? I was.
Yeah. Yes, I do. Yeah, sorry.
Live and Learn Remix. Live and Learn Instrumental. Even better. Just counter pick the stage even without shield grab. Tech chase? Okay. You could've just grabbed the plate, but. Ooh, okay. That was a good outfit.
Oh, that would have been a deadly dare.
Yeah, I like how he just backed off. That's you can't really challenge Roy's up B if you're too late.
I mean, it was very efficient use of the shield so far this match.
Yeah.
Just making sure that those aerials don't connect when you can script throw them out.
Yeah, he just doesn't want to get stuck in shield or get like have his out of shield option get red or anything. 'Cause every time you hit someone's shield, it's like kind of like a giant mix-up. If you space everything right, just get straight up shield grab. Alright, picks up the challenges mini landing and works out for him. Oh, wow. Yeah, Mini's been getting away with that, me? Okay.
Oh,
Good
nice.
reverse. That was a really good reverse. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, no way. That was 12%. 12% death. Could have teched it, maybe?
Oh,
Yeah,
try to fade back.
yeah, he wanted that extra spicy. No jump. But it doesn't matter, he lands right away. Oh, he could have. That was a really nice back air. I would have liked to re-grab, because he tried the knee, but he didn't have enough time, so. He had the right idea with the back air, and then cover the tech rolls afterwards. That was just like all or nothing. Right. Whoa, that was a slick roar. That was really smooth. Alright, he's gotten that plenty. So what Minimouse wants to do to avoid that
So
is...
Do you sure we'll take that first game?
Yeah.
Or second game?
Yeah, what Mini wants to do to avoid that knee is to either double jump air dodge on stage if he's close enough, or he can up B early and knock Deku Scrub before his stop comes out.
Yeah.
Or he could maybe like recover low and save your double jump. But if Deku Scrub reads that, then he still gets the stomp anyway. But he can't read the up B and get a stop. He has to like read the up B and then like knock Mini back off stage. So it's just like a reset the situation kind of thing. Alright, so Fountain, this is Mini's Fountain counter pick. I like this counter pick because Deku Scrub has been using has been getting some decent tech chases on Mini, and these platforms help him out to like, it's kind of like another option instead of having to tech on the ground.
Yeah.
You can get onto a platform. Good distance.
Ooh.
Yeah, it looks
I
like
disagree with that grab. I mean, it looked slick, but I disagree with it overall enough. I think the knee would have been better.
yeah. Well, he gets the knee. That was an awesome trade.
Yeah.
Puts the grab. Another opportunity. He waits, but I think he thought that was a normal getup. Alright, that was good.
Maybe we should have
Yeah.
gone for the knee.
Okay,
There
yeah,
we
he
go.
picks up the kill. He Deku Scrub's getting in a lot with these like full screen nairs. Mini can like crouch cancel those, or he can just hold up shield. Ooh, he read the Deku Scrub read that early up E, and that time he didn't. Then he got that back on stage.
Taking advantage of PM there.
Yeah,
Side B to get on that ledge.
yeah, that side B gives you like a ton of more. Gives Captain Falcon. Ooh, catches something. Gives Captain Falcon a ton of like extra options to get back on stage. It helps out his recovery a lot, which is one of his biggest weaknesses in melee.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
It's good for a mini mouse. Still at 170% though, so.
Terrible DI in that dash stack. Still doesn't die for it though. He delayed the knee perfectly for that spot dodge. Same with that stomp.
Not quite.
Yeah, it looks like
A lot of stuff will kill though at this percent.
Oh yeah, like a row, like a. Oh my god, you messed that up. Oh, I would have forward tilted. Okay, gentlemen.
Jab and kill.
Gentlemen, go. Okay, no jump. Okay, gets back to the ground. Then he could have capitalized a lot more off that. Yeah, good roll. Just get out of there.
Yep, that was wise. Go back, wait for him to do his thing, and then.
Ooh.
Oh. So we got 2-1 Deku Scrub now.
We might see a squirrel come out or not.
Deku Scrub.
2-1 Deku Scrub.
Alright. Warrior Line.
Yeah, Mini has the Squirtle. That was his like last chance to pull out the Squirtle. Ooh, that was almost a terrible one. Grab?
And it could be one of the things where he wins with Roy, but then he goes with the Squirrel saying, oh, you know, that was uncomfortably close.
Right, yeah, that's true. Good, I like that recovery.
Deku Scrub seems to know this match now.
Yeah, that was definitely that was like one of the best edge. Okay, that was incredibly hard to do. I don't know how he faced that. Hard. That was good. He read the shield grab. That was perfect.
I don't know. Like I remember watching Deku Scrub play just like a year ago, and it's pretty much like night and day.
Yeah, he stepped up his punish game like a ton. And sometimes we like talk about the neutral game and I get the point is. So he's definitely like an improved player. Oh,
Okay.
okay. That combo was actually almost on.
Alright. Oh, that neutral B would have been alright. Up tilt, not quite enough to kill.
Yeah, Roy's up tilt is funny.
There, not quite enough yet.
Yeah, so
I like that wall jump to make sure that you didn't get hit.
yeah, that's yeah, that was a good wall jump. This is checkmate pretty much. You could have spot dodged that, but Deku Scrub has been reading the spot dodge. He read like 2 spot dodges in a row actually, like just recently. So he kind of conditioned Mini to hold shield.
Yeah, that was a big stock from Deku Scrub. Just really able to make that go out until, you know, way beyond its usefulness. But
yeah, he still hasn't figured out. Oh, mid pack.
3-1
Wow.
Deku Scrub. That is an upset.
Yeah, that Mini started to bring it back, but Deku Scrub just kind of stomped all over him.